Our guest speaker is a perfect epitome of the ancient proverb that says, the higher you grow, the lower you bend. He may be a highly regarded person, but his simplicity and humility may be more admirable, especially by those who truly know him. As a true blue Louisian, he finished his elementary and secondary courses in our beloved St. Luke's School in 1973 and 1977 respectively. He finished his bachelor's degree in economics, minor in mathematics at San Beda College, and pursued law at the University of the Philippines, Diliman, Quezon City. And Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Born on June 21st, 1960, and Miss Porfiria Paredes, and is the younger brother of retired Justice Nick, Rudy, Tessie, Vicky, Ellie, Kathy, Christine, Bobby, and Betty, who all are high-caliber professionals and pure-blooded Louisians. These blessings of the family, our esteemed graduation speaker, Justice Louis Arthur Paredes Acosta.
Fly onto the night wind, take a star to her for me.
Upo po tayo. Maraming salamat, kumare. Konti lang yung pinadala kong resume. Napahaba na. Binanggit. Anyway, thank you so much. Ang pupokit, ang gaganda ng mga graduates natin. Yung mga ngiti nyo, talagang 180 degrees. I know you're very happy and I know why. I've been there before. Napakasaya ninyo dahil sa wakas, malulusutan nyo na ang inyong strictong pictures. Like I said, I know why you were having that very big smile. You were very happy because sa wakas, nalusutan na ninyo ang strictong pictures ninyo. But you know, as you go along further in your life, you will soon realize na pagkaka-strict ko pala ng inyong teacher ay blessing sa inyo. Kaya sila strict sa inyo ay dahil sa pagmamahal nila sa inyo. You will be encountering problems, certain situations, new situations that if your teachers were not strict in giving you their lessons, you would not be able to solve them. So we have to thank them for being very strict on you. Many of you will be pursuing your chosen careers.
Class of 1977, in grateful appreciation for his lovable loyalty, support, and love for his alma mater, as manifested by his generosity of time as guest speaker during the 7th Senior High School commencement exercises with the theme Empowering Filipino Youth Through Louisian Education, held at St. Louis College Jubilee Gymnasium. Given this 15th day of June 2024 at St. Louis College of Solano Incorporated, Poblacion North, Solano, Nueva Vizcaya. Signed, Mrs. Marisa G. Johnson, MBA, our school coordinator, Mr. Feliciano V. Malake, PhD, our school principal, and the Reverend Father Romulo C. Felix, PhD, our school director.